500 was delayed today, with fans forced to leave because of the storms. And here in Ohio, we saw some big storms that have caused some damage as well. Weather specialist Nick Dunn joins us with your Storm Center 7 forecast. And Nick, I know we've had some pretty bad weather today, but nothing like they're seeing, really.
Yeah, we've lucked out there in that regard, I would say. Now, we are going to recap some of our storm reports from today, and one of those featured a highest wind gust that I could find so far today of 52 miles per hour. We take the graphics there, as you can see. That's at the Wright Brothers Airport down in southern portions of Montgomery County. Now, that was the highest wind gust that was at least officially reported to the National Weather Service. Also, we ended up with this tree down up here along South Mulberry Street there in Troy. That's where Lee Patterson was a little bit earlier today. You notice we had some scattered reports of damage across the Miami Valley, but nothing overly substantial or significant. Another large rains across Greenbush Road there across parts of Preble County. And right now, we are relatively calm across the Miami Valley. We do have a couple of showers trying to pop up and get going from about South Charleston, and that's down US 42 there into eastern portions of Montgomery County, southwestern Greene County as well. You notice off to the far bottom of your screen, though, that's where we're tracking more showers and thunderstorms, and they did issue a tornado watch. But as you see, it does not include any of our counties. If you're traveling down towards Cincinnati tonight, though, that tornado watch goes until 6 o'clock in the morning. These storms continuing to show signs of weakening, and while a severe weather threat is not necessarily zero tonight, the one concern I do have is for repeated rounds of heavy rain, so let's watch for some pockets of flash flooding and some ponding of water on roadways late tonight. Take you out to Miami Township. We did have a few raindrops on the camera lens here a little bit ago, but it has dried out, at least for the time being. Temperatures are in the 60s to around 70 for most of us. Breaking down the storm hazards for the rest of tonight. Again, damaging winds, the main concern. They're really not concerned about large hail or tornadoes, but flash flooding certainly a concern where storms tap into train over the same areas repeatedly. Those of you across parts of Preble and Butler County, also Wayne and Union counties in Indiana, you picked up over an inch of rain today. So any additional heavy rain on top of what you've already had, that could certainly cause some more enhanced flooding concerns there. The good news is, though, for tomorrow, Memorial Day, if you have any plans to do a cookout or perhaps you're doing other activities, a high of 75 degrees, just a few lingering showers out and about, certainly not a washout, and certainly not nearly as heavy as what we saw earlier this afternoon. So here's Futurecast. Through midnight, those showers and storms moving off to the northeast, but you notice an overall weakening trend. Now, again, there's a lot of yellows and oranges here, so some pockets of heavy rain are likely, and that's why we're concerned about that potential for at least a few areas of flooding through the rest of tonight. But by 6 o'clock in the morning, most of this is gone. We're just left with a few lingering showers, and then that same thing will continue into the late morning hours and early afternoon, partly to mostly cloudy skies. And it will be breezy, winds gusting 20 to maybe 25 miles per hour, and then a couple of scattered showers try to pop up tomorrow night going into your Tuesday morning. As a secondary disturbance starts to slide through Tuesday afternoon, we could see some of these showers try to swing in. But the good news is, no severe weather and really the chance of even a rumble of thunder for tomorrow and Tuesday looking pretty slim for us at this point. Your Storm Center 7-day forecast looks like this: highs in the middle 70s tomorrow and Tuesday. You check out Wednesday, we're down to the upper 60s there for an afternoon high. And then we have a couple of nights where lows are likely to drop into the upper 40s. That's well below average for this time of the year, but the sunshine makes a return for Thursday and Friday. Our next chance for showers and storms after tonight really doesn't start to increase once again. I should say after Monday and Tuesday. Really doesn't start to increase again until about this time next weekend. Kayla?
Thank you, Nick. And as we are dealing with strong storms today, FEMA is set to open a second disaster recovery center in Auburn.